Yo, what's up, guys? Back to you with some more VR content, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the best video recording settings for the Metaquest 3. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is make sure you click down here where it tells you the time and the battery. It's going to say quick settings. You click that. This is the page that's going to open up. After that, you want to go click settings in the top right corner, and then on the side here, you want to select camera. This is the page you're going to see. You're going to have a list of a bunch of settings here. I'm going to start off with aspect ratio. This is where you select the format and resolution for the video you're currently recording. So if you're going to be recording a video for YouTube or Twitter, you're going to do landscape. If you're going to be recording a video for like Instagram, you're going to want to click square. And if you're doing a short or like a TikTok, you're going to want to click portrait. The next setting is going to be frame rate. This is basically where you choose the frame rate of your video. The higher the frame rate, the better the quality. I like to keep mine at 60, but do keep in mind that if you record video game content on this at 60 frames per second, it may make your game lag, so you may want to switch that to 30. Then last but not least, it's going to be bit rate. The higher the bit rate, the better the video quality, but this does increase your file size, so also keep that in mind. My sweet spot is about 15 megabits per second. Some people prefer 10. My thing is, I would say if you're going to be recording long form video, do 15. If you're going to be recording short form video where people are going to be watching on their phones most of the time, you can do 10. Another quick tip, guys, if you're going to be recording videos, make sure you stop every 10 minutes and start a new video and then just edit it all together, because if you record just one long video in one shot, it's going to take years to get it uploaded. So that's another quick tip. And then last thing I wanted to show you guys is how to upload your videos onto your phone or onto your computer. What you're going to want to do is click the camera here. If you already have a video that's already recorded, just click the three dots, and then you're going to want to hit sync. That is already synced, so I'm not going to unsync it. And once you do that, it'll just sync the video into your Metaquest app on your phone, and then from there you can do whatever you want with it. Pass it on to your computer, upload it to a social media platform, etc., etc. If you guys enjoy VR content and VR tutorials, make sure you drop a like and a comment, and I'll be sure to share more videos like this. And as always, I appreciate you guys' time, and have a great day.